the Doll, and these are my friends Jellybean and Soccer. Hi, I'm Jellybean the Doll.
Hi, I'm Soccer the Doll.
And welcome to Jolie and Friends. Today on Jolie and Friends, we are going to learn about the weather. Do you know what a weather is? A weather is when it's hot, cold, sunny, or raining.
And it's what it is outside.
That's right. A weather is when it's hot, cold, sunny, or raining, or what it is outside. You can look outside to see what the weather is like for today. Do you know what the weather is like for you? Our weather is sunny,
Cloudy,
rainy,
foggy,
windy,
stormy,
snowy,
lightning,
hot,
cold,
warm,
freezing,
rainbow, and much more. There are so many things to learn about when it comes to the weather, whether you want to play outside or not. That depends on how safe the outside is. If the weather is not safe outside, you might have to play inside instead. Do you know your weather? Yes, we do.
for we know what the weather is like outside for today.
You can always check for tomorrow's weather.
To see if the weather is safe for outside tomorrow or the next day if you are planning to do something outside.
What did you learn today?